Look at all the trees.
I didn't wear my slippers.
And there's the city.
No, somebody but see, it's not wearing anything.
Oh.
What?
Ma! Oh, she already left.
Who's not wearing anything?
Skating in Korea.
No, they're just not wearing their flip-flops or whatever.
Oh. Oh, there's a pool.
As you can see,
I saw Dad pooping in there.
Oh my god.
we can watch.
Thank you, anak, ah.
No problem po. Gusto niyo po bang order po ng eggs?
Ewan ko sa kanila. Ako, it's fine kung ano andyan.
No. No.
Take off your shoes if you want to go on the
We're
carpet.
not doing that.
Okay.
Hey, you're not allowed on the carpet with your shoes on.
Oh, really? No.
It's like a mid. Yeah.
That's a kiwi.
I really like
But
that.
the mangoes here are the best mangoes in
Take
the
off your
whole
shoes
wide
if
world.
you want. You know how to tie.
What was that?
Hey, Ben, you okay?
No way, dude. Those old ladies are destroyed because of me. I'm not righteous. I'm wrongous. Stupidous.
What are you guys watching?
Adventure Time.
Get you down.
Who are those people?
I'm not gonna tell you.
Why not?
Jake the dog. It's so boring to tell people.
Kaden, are you keeping an eye on him?
Yes, so
Oh,
he
okay.
doesn't run off.
Is Kaden keeping an eye on you?
should have given up. But I forgot also.
No. Whoa, whoa.
No.
This place is so pretty.
Tito Ernie wants a hug.
7 days.
How
That's
much
where I
minutes
used
is
to
on
live.
the plane?
Or your grandma Tessie.
How much minutes is on the plane?
What is that?
There's
How many
only one
minutes
road.
are on the plane?
There's
Yeah.
only one road up there.
Hey, careful.
Kaden. Are you snoring?
Hey, look, that's a jeepney.
I want to ride on that.
Yeah.
What are you guys talking about?
Mr. Nobody Boy.
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
What do you think they're talking about?
I think they're talking about gum.
Are you talking about gum? There's a hand coming up. Careful, don't fall.
Who's that?
No, no more. No.
20 cents per minute in Europe.
You're putting me on video.
Yeah. Okay, what did you do?
I farted. I farted. Well, I keep farting. Sometimes. Sama?
Talk about it.
Sometimes I like this, and sometimes I like this, sometimes I like this, and sometimes I like this. 100! And there's one on you.
No.
100! There's one on there too.
Kasi sa akin ang titis nila.
One everywhere on there. Turn it off.
No!
Don't turn it off. 100.
Wave to the camera.
100. Hi. Hi. Well, almost. Okay. I want to see.
Where's the lens?
That makes me
I want to see.
Am I on camera?
Hey,
older, but your daddy's very happy.
I want to drink gum. I want to eat gum. Poop.
Huwag na, okay lang.
So, at Caroline,
Sige, wag na. I will play with the kids. I will play with the kids.
Are you saying hello?
Pwede rin siya Hindi,
He's dancing to the Lord.
ano, papasalita.
He's not pooping.
Hindi mo, yung nasa lantanan niya. Oo, hindi.
Actually,
Ayaw ka pa sa mama. Masyadong...
the books of the Bible, not tested in the Bible. The scripture has the power that's undeniable.
Except you have to catch it with your bare hands. Ready?
what's really jumping? Sige, sige, hulog ko bitin.
Oh, let's go.
Then, Liapas, we have the taxi. Kung magbayad,
Nagdudultaan ako pero hindi ko na binigyan ng action.
Oo, doon.
Lang kami sa Jose, may pulis daw po sa loob, pero may talinti kasi nakakahiya daw, may istorbo. Inagmamadali ko kami sir kasi
Straight on.
Sige po, sorry po. Parang hindi ako makapaniwala. Pero naniniwala ako, ibig sabihin, matindi ko ito, nakakatawa na.
Conversation nyo ng nag-complainant.
Yes, sir.
Hindi, walang nakakulong.
Pwede mag-picture?
The jaywalking is so scary.
It's scary, huh?
This is the Montebello Villa Hotel.
I know your daughter's gonna want to sit in that.
Okay, can we sit there?
No, in that.
Ba yun?
Which one? Oh, in here.
Okay. Wala mo.
Okay lang?
Okay lang.
Oh, yeah. Pretty. Okay.
Okay, let's order. Should we order from here? What do you guys want? What do you girls want? Even though she's not hungry, she's...
First Mary's behind the counter. Now I'm drinking alcohol. Oh my gosh. This kid is gonna tell stories at school.
How do you like being surrounded by adults, Kaden?
What? People, adults with beans surrounded.
Yeah, you're surrounded